Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous Happy Diwali card with the handmade quilling crackers. Yes, these gorgeous crackers are made using paper quilling strips, and this is the huge box which contains the crackers, and I have added the sentiment Happy Diwali, and inside the card you can write any message. So let's get started. So I'm starting with my luddy cracker. So for this, first I am taking 1/4 strip of red color. This is 20 mm strip. I'm just curling the strip little bit so that we can roll it easily. And now simply create a tight coil using your tool. If you don't find 20 mm strips, you can just cut any craft paper in 20 mm thickness. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So the pipe is ready. Here I have created one small braid using cotton thread. This is thick thread which is used for decoupage work. And now I'm taking one paper, added little glue, and on this I will add this braided thread in the center, and then start adding these red pipes on both the sides. So in total I have created 10 pipes, 5 for left side and 5 for right side. Now I am just cutting the excess braid from top and sticking here like this. Allow it to dry and your luddy cracker is ready. Now I'm starting with the rocket cracker. So for this I'm taking half strip of green color 20 mm and again making one tight coil. Like this. Then I am taking half strip of 3 mm red color and making one cone shape. Just add glue inside the cone and spread it using brush. Then I am taking one toothpick, cutting from the bottom to make it small and sticking with your tight coil like this. Then connect this cone as well with the green tight coil and allow it to dry for some time. Then we will wrap the golden strip around this. So it's completely dried. Now just add little glue, and here I am adding this golden paper strip and wrapping it around this. Then add little glue in the bottom and connect the wick. This is a thread wick from which we burn the fire, and our rockets are ready. Now I'm starting with the suthali bomb, which is made using green wool, but here I am taking one strip of green color 5 mm and making one tight square shape. Like this, and then I am adding one golden paper strip in the center. and then I will add the wick on the top. And the cute suthali bomb or rassi bomb is ready. Then I'm starting with cute phuljadi. I just love the very much among all the crackers. And it's super easy to make. Here I'm taking small piece of 20 mm white color strip. First make a tight coil. And then we have cut our toothpick for the rocket. So we have the remaining toothpick here, and I'm just inserting the toothpick from bottom like this. Then cover the white portion using glue completely. And then I'm taking silver glitter and just pouring glitter on top of the glued part. Like this, and your phuljadi is ready. Allow it to dry completely. Very cute. Now I'm starting with the anar. For this I'm taking one strip of peach color 5 mm and making one cone shape. Just add glue inside the cone. Then I am just adding little glue in the bottom and wrapping one golden paper strip. And then I am just creating some patterns using colored sketch pen. Then I am just inserting the wick on the top, and the cute anars are ready. Then I am starting with the Lakshmi bomb. For this I am taking half strip of yellow color 10 mm and making one tight coil. And if you want to create little larger, you can take 20 mm strip. So here I am taking light purple 20 mm half strip and making one more tight coil. Then I will just decorate these tight coils using some colored sketch pens, and then I will add the wick. The cute Lakshmi bombs are ready. Then the last but not the least, I am starting with making the chakri. So here I am taking this paper circle, add little glue on this, and using the same cotton thread, I will just make a spiral design on this circle base. just cut the excess one and allow it to dry. So I have already prepared one so that we can color it. After drying, you can just color it using colored sketch pens or acrylic colors. So I am taking my light blue and dark blue color. And the cute chakri is ready. So all my crackers are ready. Now it's time to create our card. So I'm taking this white cardstock which measures 28 by 17 centimeters. This is having 250 GSM thickness. Then I'm taking this brown cardstock which measures 13.5 by 16.5 centimeters. And I'm sticking it on top of the base. Then I'm taking this pattern paper cardstock which measures 12.5 by 15.5 centimeters. Just stick the pattern paper as well. All the supply links are given in the description box if you want to purchase anything. This pattern paper is from Dress My Craft. Then I'm taking one more brown color cardstock strip which measures 14.3.5 centimeters, and from left side I have creased on 2, 2.5, 11.5 and 12 centimeters. And after folding all the creases, it should look like this. Now I'm just decorating this with some pattern papers. Also adding the beautiful border punch design. And then I am sticking this box with the base like this. Allow it to dry for some time. And then I have also added one more border in the bottom for little finishing. So box is ready. Now it's time to arrange our crackers inside the box. So first roughly I am just arranging all the crackers and bombs here and there so that we will get the exact idea where we should add the different crackers. So I'm satisfied with this pattern. Now I'm just removing the crackers one by one and I will start sticking it using glue. So this is done. And now I'm adding the cute lantern cutouts on left and right side, and then I will add the Happy Diwali sentiment. like this. So the cute and very attractive Diwali card, and this is very unique card. I must say everyone will like if you create this for the Diwali festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.